Ja. Yo, HYASIA homeworks in the house. Revive your furniture, let's bounce. From home to office, kahit saan sa NCR. Kung repair ang hanap mo, kami ang superstar. Old sofa, sira na ba? Wag mo nang itapon, kami na bahala. Reupholstery game, solid ang gawa. HYASIA homeworks, tibay na totoo, yeah. Custom made seats, leather or fabric. Vehicle interior, astig na aesthetic. Office or home, we fix with class. Matibay ang gawa, basta sa mas. HYASIA homeworks, revive your style. Sofa, chair, car seat, sulit all the while. Durability, comfortability, reasonable rates, easy pay, quality. HYASIA homeworks, anywhere in NCR, we make it brand new. Kahit lumang furniture, your comforts are concerned. That's our vow. HYASIA homeworks, the best in town. Easy coordination, smooth communication, payment madali, walang komplikasyon.
One concept to finish, we work with vision. Kasama ka sa plan para sure ang precision. Kung gusto mong bago pero tipid pa rin, sa HYASIA homeworks guarantee sa the win. Quality craftsmanship, walang kapalit. We bring life back, legit ang sulit.
HYASIA homeworks, revive your style. Sofa, chair, car seat, sulit all the while. Durability, comfortability, reasonable rates, easy pay, quality. HYASIA homeworks, anywhere in NCR, we make it brand new. Kahit lumang furniture, your comforts are concerned. That's our vow. HYASIA homeworks, the best in town. Yeah, yeah, come. We don't just fix, we bring life back. Every stitch, every foam, no slack. HYASIA homeworks, the name you can trust. Tibay ganda, quality of mine. HYASIA homeworks, revive your style. Sofa, chair, car seat, sulit all the while. Durability, comfortability, reasonable rates, easy pay, quality. From repair to restore, kami ang sagot. HYASIA homeworks, walang palya, solid ang output. Your comforts are concerned, your vision our goal. HYASIA homeworks, we revive your soul. Yeah,
Yeah, HYASIA homeworks, let's go!
yo, HYASIA homeworks in the house. Oh, revive your furniture, let's bounce. From home to office, kahit saan sa NCR. Kung repair ang hanap mo, kami ang superstar.
Yo, old sofa, sira na ba? Wag mo nang itapon, kami na bahala. Reupholstery game, solid ang gawa. HYASIA homeworks, tibay na totoo, yeah. Custom made seats, leather or fabric. Vehicle interior, astig na aesthetic. Office or home, we fix with class.
Matibay ang gawa, pasaro sa mas. HYASIA homeworks, revive your style. Sofa, chair, car seat, sulit all the while. Durability, comfortability, reasonable rates, easy pay, quality. HYASIA homeworks, anywhere in NCR, we make it brand new. Kahit lumang furniture, your comforts are concerned. That's our vow. HYASIA homeworks, the best in town.
Easy coordination, smooth communication. Payment madali, walang komplikasyon. From concept to finish, we work with vision. Kasama ka sa plan para sure ang precision. Kung gusto mong bago pero tipid pa rin, sa HYASIA homework guarantee sa the win. Quality craftsmanship, walang kapalit. We bring life back, legit ang sulit.
HYASIA homeworks, revive your style. Sofa, chair, car seat, sulit all the while. Durability, comfortability, reasonable rates, easy pay, quality. HYASIA homeworks, anywhere in NCR, we make it brand new. Kahit lumang furniture, your comforts are concerned. That's our vow. HYASIA homeworks, the best in town. We don't just fix, we bring life back. Every stitch, every foam, no slack. HYASIA homeworks, the name you can trust. Tibay ganda, quality of mine. HYASIA homeworks, Revive your style, sofa, chair, car seat, sulit all the while. Durability, comfortability, reasonable rates, easy pay, quality. From repair to restore, kami ang sagot. HYASIA Homeworks, walang palya, solid ang output. Your comforts are concerned, your vision our goal. HYASIA Homeworks, we revive your soul. Yeah, HYASIA Homeworks, let's go.
Yo, HYASIA Homeworks in the house. Revive your furniture, let's bounce. From home to office, kahit saan sa NCR. Kung repair ang hanap mo, kami ang superstar. Old sofa, sira na ba? Wag mo nang itapon, kami na bahala. Reupholstery game, solid ang gawa. HYASIA Homeworks, tibay na totoo, yeah. Custom made seats, leather or fabric. Vehicle interior, astig na aesthetic. Office or home, we fix with class. Matibay ang gawa, pasalo sa mas.
HYASIA Homeworks, revive your style. Sofa, chair, car seat, sulit all the while. Durability, comfortability, reasonable rates, easy pay, quality. HYASIA Homeworks, anywhere in NCR, we make it brand new. Kahit lumang furniture, your comforts are concerned. That's our vow. HYASIA Homeworks, the best in town.
Hey, sure, hey, oh! Easy coordination, smooth communication. Payment madali, walang complication. From concept to finish, we work with vision. Kasama ka sa plan para sure ang precision. Kung gusto mong bago pero tipid pa rin, sa HYASIA Homeworks garantisado win. Quality craftsmanship, walang kapalit. We bring life back, legit ang sulit.
HYASIA Homeworks, revive your style. Sofa, chair, car seat, sulit all the while. Durability, comfortability, reasonable rates, easy pay, quality. HYASIA Homeworks, anywhere in NCR, we make it brand new. Kahit lumang furniture, your comforts are concerned. That's our vow. HYASIA Homeworks, the best in town.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We don't just fix, we bring life back. Every stitch, every foam, no slack. HYASIA Homeworks, the name you can trust. Tibay ganda, quality a must.
HYASIA Homeworks, revive your style. Sofa, chair, car seat, sulit all the while. Durability, comfortability, reasonable rates, easy pay, quality. From repair to restore, kami ang sagot. HYASIA Homeworks, walang palya, solid ang output. Your comforts are concerned, your vision our goal. HYASIA Homeworks, we revive your soul. Yeah.
Hey, HYASIA Homeworks, let's go.
Yo. HYASIA Homeworks in the house. Revive your furniture, let's bounce.
From home to office, kahit saan sa NCR. Kung repair ang hanap mo, kami ang superstar.
Old sofa, sira na ba? Wag mo nang itapon, kami na bahala.
Reupholstery game, solid ang gawa. HYASIA Homeworks, tibay na totoo, yeah. They custom made seats, leather or fabric, vehicle interior, astig na aesthetic. Office or home, we fix with class. Matibay ang gawa, pasado sa mas.
HYASIA Homeworks, revive your style. Sofa, chair, car seat, sulit all the while.
Durability, comfortability, reasonable rates, easy pay, quality. HYASIA Homeworks, anywhere in NCR. We make it brand new, kahit lumang furniture. Your comforts are concerned, that's our vow. HYASIA Homeworks, the best in town. Easy coordination, smooth communication. Payment madali, walang komplikasyon. From concept to finish, we work with vision. Kasama ka sa plan para sure ang precision. Kung gusto mong bago pero tipid pa rin, sa HYASIA Homeworks WORKZ, garantisado win. Quality craftsmanship, walang kapalit. We bring life back, legit ang sulit. HYASIA WORKZ, revive your style. Sofa, chair, car seat, sulit all the while. Durability, comfortability, reasonable rates, easy pay, quality. HYASIA WORKZ, anywhere in NCR. We make it brand new, kahit lumang furniture. Your comforts are concerned, that's our vow. HYASIA WORKZ, the best in town. We don't just fix, we bring life back. Every stitch, every foam, no slack. HYASIA WORKZ, the name you can trust. Di ba'y ganda? Quality a must. HYASIA WORKZ, revive your style. Sofa, chair, car seat, sulit all the while. Durability, comfortability, reasonable rates, easy pay, quality. From repair to restore, kami ang sagot. HYASIA WORKZ, walang palya, solid ang output. Your comforts are concerned, your vision our goal. HYASIA WORKZ, we revive your soul. Yeah. HYASIA WORKZ, let's go.
If your sofa look tired, wag mo na deny. Bring it to me, watch it come back fly. Reupholstery queen, precision ang linya. HYASIA WORKZ, di ba ang gawa namin siya? Fabrics or leather, girl I got both. Clean stitch line, straight as a oath. Chair, couch, car seat, name it girl. I flip that old piece into something pearl. My office or home, ako ang bahala. Quality finish, hindi bada-bada. Every foam packed, every seam unlocked. Pag HYASIA gumawa, guaranteed it's top. Comfort style we deliver, durable work that lasts forever. From broken down to brand new feel. HYASIA, magic girl, it's real. HYASIA WORKZ, we bring it back. Sofa, chair, car seat, nothing off track. Durability, comfortability, quality work with affordability. HYASIA WORKZ, it's the art of town. We fix your furniture, we hold it down. From restore to refine, your comfort we own. HYASIA WORKZ, yeah, we set the tone. Easy coordination, smooth conversation, clear ang usapan, zero complication. Planning the style to choosing the tone, kasama sa process, hindi ka alone. Gusto mo tipid pero classy pa rin. Sa HYASIA girl, you always win. Reasonable fee with premium skill, every project namin sealed with will. Kahit lumang-luma na yan, wag mong sabihin, kayang-kaya i-revive. Let's make it trend. HYASIA WORKZ, girl, we restore, giving every piece of life once more. HYASIA WORKZ, we bring it back. Sofa, chair, car seat, nothing off track. Durability, comfortability, quality work with affordability. HYASIA WORKZ, it's the art of town. We fix your furniture, we hold it down. From restore to refine, your comfort we own. HYASIA WORKZ, yeah, we set the tone. We rebuild, we redesign, we take your vision, make it shine. Every foam, every stitch a line. HYASIA WORKZ, girl power combined. Yeah, your comfort's our craft, your design our task. Kahit sira, faded, worn out, down, we turn it around, flip that crown. From NCR going north to south, quality spread by word of mouth. Old couch to gold couch, that's the flip. HYASIA touch, no slip in the whip. From concept to finish, we stay on track. Furniture revive, girl, we bring it back. HYASIA WORKZ, we bring it back. Sofa, chair, car seat, nothing off track. Durability, comfortability, quality work with affordability. HYASIA HOMEWORKZ. Girl made, girl led, girl strong. Let's revive your world,
Oh, the
baby.
gold, that's the vibe. Hi, yeah. HYASIA HOMEWORKZ, we keep it alive.
If it's so look tight, wag mo nang i-deny. Bring it to me, watch it come back. Fly, reupholstery queen, precision ng linya. HYASIA HOMEWORKZ, iba ang gawa namin. Yeah, fabrics or leather, girl I got both. Clean stitch line, straight as an oath. Chair, couch, car seat, name it girl. I flip that old piece into something pearl. Office or home, ako ang bahala. Quality finish, hindi bada-bada. Every form packed, every seam unlocked. Pag HYASIA gumawa, guaranteed it's top.
Comfort style, we deliver. Durable work that lasts forever. From broken down to brand new feel. HYASIA magic, girl, it's real. HYASIA HOMEWORKZ, we bring it back. Sofa, chair, car seat, nothing off track. Durability, comfortability, quality, work affordability. HYASIA HOMEWORKZ, NCR to town. We fix your furniture, we hold it down. From restore to refine, your comfort we own. HYASIA HOMEWORKZ, yeah, we set the tone. Yeah, we set the tone.
Easy coordination, smooth conversation, clear ang usapin, zero complication. From planning the style to choosing the tone, kasama ka sa process, hindi ka alone. Gusto mo tipid, pero classy pa rin. Sa HYASIA girl, you always win. Reasonable fee with premium skill. Heavy project namin, sealed with will. Kahit luma-luma na yan, wag mong sabihing end. Kayang-kaya revive, let's make it trend. HYASIA HOMEWORKZ, girl, we restore. Giving every piece of life once more.
HYASIA HOMEWORKZ, we bring it back. Sofa, chair, car seat, nothing off track. Durability, comfortability, quality, work affordability. HYASIA HOMEWORKZ, NCR to town. We fix your furniture, we hold it down. From restore to refine, your comfort we own. HYASIA HOMEWORKZ, yeah, we set the tone. Yeah, we set the tone.
We rebuild, we redesign. We take your vision, make it shine.
Every foam, every stitch align. Girl power combine.
Yeah. Your comfort's our craft, your design our task. Tired, zero, faded, worn out, down. We turn it around, flip that crown. From NCR, going north to south. Quality spread by word of mouth. Old couch to gold couch, that's the flip. HYASIA touch, no slip in the whip. From concept to finish, we stay on track. Furniture revive, girl, we bring it back.
HYASIA HOMEWORKZ, we bring it back. Sofa, chair, car seat, nothing off track. Durability, comfortability, quality, work affordability. HYASIA HOMEWORKZ, NCR to town. We fix your furniture, we hold it down. Restore, affirm, that's how we roll. HYASIA HOMEWORKZ, we bring back your soul. We bring back your soul. Yeah.
If your sofa look tired, wag mo na deny. Bring it to me, watch it come back fly. Reupholstery queen, precision ang linya. HYASIA HOMEWORKZ, di ba ang gawa namin siya? Fabrics or leather, girl I got both. Clean stitch line, straight as an oath. Chair, couch, car seat, name it girl. I flip that old piece into something pearl. Office or home, ako ang bahala. Quality finish, hindi bada-bada. Every form packed, every seam unlocked. Pag HYASIA gumawa, guaranteed it's top. Comfort style, we deliver. Durable work that lasts forever. From broken down to brand new feel. HYASIA magic, girl, it's real. HYASIA HOMEWORKZ, we bring it back. Sofa, chair, car seat, nothing off track. Durability, comfortability, quality work with affordability. HYASIA HOMEWORKZ, NCR to town. We fix your furniture, we hold it down.
patience, smooth conversation, clear ang usapan, zero complication. Planning the style, the choosing the tone, kasama sa process, hindi ka alone. Gusto mo tipid pero classy pa rin. Sa HYASIA girl, you always win. Reasonable fee with premium skill, every project namin sealed with will. Kahit lumang